Hello viewers, in this video we discuss about geotextile. Geotextile is a non-woven geosynthetic material manufactured by needle punch method, having wonderful physical and mechanical qualities like high tensile strength, mechanical damage resistance, acid and aggressive biological environment resistance. Geotextile is widely used in civil and road construction, oil gas area for domestic needs, and landscape architecture. Polyester fabrics are not water soluble, and that is why environmentally friendly. Materials main application. Geotextile is used as a separating, filtering layer between soil and fill materials like sand, gravel, chippings, etc. Geotextile with high density can be used as reinforcement layer on flexible soils. Applied to reinforce beds of dirt collectors acting at the same time as fillers and substituting for a sand layer. Prevent soil particles get into drain systems like basement and flat roof drainage. While tunnel construction, geotextile protects insulation coating from damages, forms a drainage layer, drains away ground and storm waters. Geotextile acts as a filler, that is a filter, and bank reinforcement applied as a heat and acoustic insulation. Main advantage of the material. Geotextile major functions are separation, reinforcement, filtration, drainage, and their combinations. Due to high tensile strength, the material can bear considerable load and perform reinforcement functions at relatively low deformations. Local damage does not lead to the material destruction and it continues its performance due to higher elongation, that is depending on the density of the material up to 45%. Universal filtering property due to specific material structure excludes the embedding of soil particles into cells and their bridging, thus providing stability of the material, filtering quality under soil pressure and intense vibration. High tear and puncture resistance simplifies installation considerably. UV resistant, provides no byproducts, ecologically clean material. Thank you for watching this video.